please.
Okay. Ayun, so naman ang mainit. Oh.
Tapos si
Kuya Yusuf, you're feeling well na?
Yeah. And I have that.
Who bought this one? No, Tita Bixie. Say thank you, Tita Bixie. Thank you po, Tita Bixie. And Tito Net. Kuya Edric. Oh. Si Banso naman ang may sakit. Ay. Ano
And
ba
I
yan?
have airplane.
Ang dami ka pang tutupiin no? Sa likod.
I have an
Ayan.
airplane.
Wow. Where you bought this airplane? Where you bought this? Where you get this plane?
I have
Ang dami lang toys. Wow. Who bought your truck?
nanay.
Great job. You say thank you to Nanay.
Nanay, thank you po. I love you.
Ang daming tutupiin.
I want to buy a mixer truck robot.
Okay, we're going to buy mixer truck robot.
We will check.
We will find where is it available. Okay?
Tapos sabi mo kay Kuya, anong available yung mixer truck robot?
Pick up all the toys and put it in the toy box po. Please po.
The pickup one.
Okay.
Look, I have a tree.
Wow. Okay, pick up the toys na and put it in the toy box.
I like that.
Okay. Great job. Ayan. Clean it up, okay? Very good, Kuya Yusuf. Very good. Put it in the toy box po. On the top. Here pa, there pa, the red, green one. Yeah. That green. Yeah. Pick it up. Yeah. Yes po. And the roller, the box. That one. Yeah. Okay. Okay, great job. Okay, bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye guys.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
No, you still have cough. Oh.
See? It opens.
The door is open, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, bye-bye. Pahinga muna si Bunso. Kawawa naman. May sakit.
Lang. Wait lang, tatay.
Dinosaur pa. Wow. O sige na, bye-bye na. Bunso, after.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye guys.